Hello everyone, my name is Gary. Hello everyone, my name is Gary. In this video, episode 2 of Claude AI by Anthropic, we're going to understand prompt design masterclass. From beginner to intermediate, we'll understand which will be helpful for students, IT professional, and business owners. So, talking about AI or talking with AI is all about how do you give a prompt. So prompt engineering is very important for understanding AI. We learn it once, but every time we use it. So a good prompt gives good result. A bad prompt gives confused. It breaks the data. It is not useful to give the bad prompt. It will lead you to to lose many things. You are losing your interest to use AI. You're losing the the motivation. You will lose many things. So important is hello everyone. My name is Hello everyone. My name is Gary. In this video, episode 2, भैया जी मैंने डाल दी ठीक है भैया भेज रहा हूँ Hello everyone. My name is Gary. In this video, we're gonna understand prompt design masterclass. Hello everyone. My name is Gary. In this episode 2 of Claude AI by Anthropic, we're gonna understand prompt design masterclass. It will help student, IT professional, and many business owners who are going to utilize AI and using AI. Talking to AI is about skill to understand prompt. Prompt is something which we give as a command to AI. We learn it once, we use it everywhere. A good prompt gives good result, and a bad prompt confuse the AI, and it will just give you something which you don't like. So to understand, don't ask something like "bhai chai de do" to AI. Anytime you ask this, it confuse what it need to give you. For understanding bhai chai de do, you should understand before that what is prompt and how to give it. So a good prompt consists many framework as in role, context, task, and iteration, stuff like that. So for understanding a prompt, we need to understand why to understand it. We need to understand a prompt because when we give good prompt, when we define what we want to have from AI tool or Claude, they understand us in a better way. To give prompt, we should understand this framework R plus C plus T plus F plus I, where R stands for role, means how do you want that AI tool to be to answer you with your queries. Then C, in what context. For example, you are configuring firewall for 50 user company. So that's a context. Why do you want that role to be done something? It's because of this context. And what task that AI tool should do is comes after context. What do you want to have uh, when it comes to giving command? And then what in what format do you want that answer? Then comes last iteration. This is something which help in getting the correct deliverables. To improve answer, we use iteration. So we'll understand one use case for IT professional. The scenario looks like you need to write API documentation for a backend team. A bad prompt look like write API documentation. That way, AI will get confused about role, about many other things from the framework. But a good prompt looks like which have R plus C plus T plus F plus I satisfied. For example, you are a senior technical writer. Create detailed API documentation with overview, authorization, endpoints, error. Add example requests and responses, where an audience is equals to the junior backend engineer. So you see everything we have break down with that framework. This is how we should write good prompt. So for student, again, this can be a different scenario, but prompt looks like a same. Let's say you need to convert 30 pages of note into 10 minutes of revision. You can take scenario to write a good prompt in such a way. Write down your university CS professor. I am a second year student. Create revision note, the task and the format, headings, bullet points, 10 key topics, one example question per topic. So you see the difference between good prompt and a bad prompt. Let's say you are running a business and you are going to start a small candle business in tier 2 city, and you need to upload a reel or create a static post or caption hook for your posts. So for that, you can't just write what just I said. You need to artifact your prompt with the framework in such a way that it will give you the same expected outcome. For that, I have used that prompt. We'll see how what result it will give. So I have given this command which I just showed you in the PPT. Let's see what it will give. Till the time I'll explain this PPT. Yeah. So how do you level up your prompt? So first thing you need to do practice. Then give example. If you don't get what you want, you always try to do better. Then give example. What is something which you want, and how does that talk with you? Then define the audience, who you want that answer to be. Is it for non-technical person or technical person? Is it for doctor? Is it for engineer? Then define length, how much data you want to have on the outer output side. Then ask for the format like tables, summarize in three table or summarize in different forms, or ask for variation. So in the, as I said, I'll just explain you how does it work. So this is a chat. I have pasted this prompt and it suffices the framework. So it's now doing its coding over its backend, running GPUs and things like that. You don't need to worry. Give up, give good time. Running AI is a slow part, but slowest is the best growth. So understand, you can read down what it is doing, but it will create exactly what you want. You are a digital marketing strategist. Create a 2 week Instagram content calendar for a small candle business. Each day I'll be uploading one reel idea, each day we'll upload one reel, one static post idea and caption hook. So we'll see what it is gonna offer us. So let's just see. So, so can you see how nice it has built a document for me, which is going to display me what I've asked for 2 week Instagram content calendar, what I'll be doing, and how does that reel will look like. So see, that's how we should be doing good prompt. So we'll understand more it in detail in many other videos in the same series. Episode 3 is going to be design one real project using Claude. But again, what we have covered is we have understood prompt like a pro. Good prompt use role, context, task, format, and iteration, the framework. Then Claude become dramatically more powerful with clear and specific instruction. An IT pro student and business owner all can take benefit by just writing better prompt. Prompt design is number one core skill for the AI era. Nowadays, the soft skills are at the peaks with AI. So guys, in the next video we'll meet. Thank you.